Hey guys, welcome to the channel Market Uncharted. In today's video we are going to talk about platinum. Platinum is viewed by many investors as significant precious metals, although less frequently discussed than gold and silver. Several investors utilize platinum to hedge against inflation or as a haven in turbulent economic times. Platinum is also a valuable industrial metal used in the production of automobiles, jewelry and technology devices. But let's start first with what is platinum. When constructing a stock or bond portfolio, diversification may be achieved by including platinum, which is 30 times rarer than gold. Platinum is utilized as both as industrial and precious metal, with the majority of its usage occurring in the automobile industry. As a result of platinum rarity and widespread use, it has a limited supply and relatively steady to rising demand, which might create lucrative investment possibilities. The usage of platinum, please stop the video and take a look of this. This is very important because also we account with a very high consumption lately on platinum. There is a concern that platinum's long-term prospects are not favorable despite the possibility of a prosperous year. This is happening across the entire battery metal sector as well, because we didn't invest for the last 15 years in platinum, silver, copper mines, and we continue to have an increase in demand, but the production is very stagnant. If we compare platinum versus gold, the low concentration of platinum in Earth's crust make it 30 times rarer than gold and is also extracted in far lesser amounts. Here I present a silver chart as platinum to gold ratio, where we can see platinum just broke out versus the gold price, and this is very important because in the last 12 years platinum has underperformed gold. So if you like silver, if you like gold, platinum is a very important use case as well for investment. Then if we compare platinum versus palladium, platinum is frequently discovered with other metals, notably palladium, extracted from many of same places. Many industrial applications, however, can also employ them interchangeably. Consequently, the platinum and palladium markets are interdependent in supply and demand. When the price of palladium increases, platinum may be replaced. So it means that one replaces the other, especially now in the electronic car vehicles. As you can see as well, platinum versus palladium stock chart, this ratio also broke out versus palladium. So which means that industries may switch from palladium products to platinum products to use on their cars. Then the most important one, not yet broke, but platinum versus silver, very interesting one. We are always talking about that silver is the most cheap metal in the world. Platinum is also very important one in the cheap. Platinum is trading at an extreme historic undervaluation relative to other hard assets, including both gold and silver, as I just shown. A return to the 2007 ratio would result in plat outperforming silver by a factor of nearly 5 times. So again, if we believe that silver can really outperform gold, then platinum could outperform silver as well. A decisive high volume weekly close above that trend line, as you can see here in the chart, resistance followed by higher highs above $1,197 and eventually $1,348 would add confirmation to the newly formed long-term uptrend for platinum. So now let's talk about just a few ideas on the platinum space. There is not much pure play platinum ones. So again, I invite you to stop the video and read closely. I will go through it very quickly. First one, Anglo-American Platinum. By the way, I own all of these possibilities here that I present. So I have a bias view. Always do your own due diligence. But basically, I selected these ones also because they are high dividend yields, all above 5%. So here, first one, Anglo-American Platinum. Then Impala Platinum Holdings, also very undervalued, also on the South Africa complex. and very good dividend yield. My favorite one, Sibanye Stillwater, very good in terms of dividend yield, very good in terms of diversification of assets, and it's a pure play on platinum. Vale, a Brazilian state-owned company as well, very good one in Brazil, very good in terms of dividend yield as well, as a high diversification of assets, so not only platinum but also, for example, copper, among others as well, but very high production, around 134,000 ounces of platinum produced each year. So if you don't feel comfortable, and it's totally normal to put your money in specific companies, always take a look on the platinum ETFs. I bring a few ones here as well. Again, please do your own due diligence. Granite Shares Platinum Trust, PLTM ticker. iPad Series Bloomberg Platinum, ticker PGM. Aberdeen Standard Physical Platinum Shares, ticker PPLT. Also, if you like ZPAL from ZKB Platinum in Swiss francs quote, or the most well-known, but again, be careful because has 50% of Palladium trust as well, Sprott Physical Platinum and Palladium, ticker SPPP. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Never forget, knowledge is not power, knowledge is potential power, execution is everything. And just like the markets, we will not rest.